Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going to do something that's a little bit different than the usual. An unboxing. Not one, just a normal one. Google Stadia is here. A really nice clean box. I love it. I'm not usually a fan of unboxings, but I had to do this one. I ordered it because I'm curious about the technology. And what we are especially going to talk about is how it works. So normally you play video games on your computer and the computer manages everything, how it looks, how fast it is and all that sort of stuff. What Stadia does, it lets you use a Google computer. So that is at the Google servers that are in almost every country around the world. You connect it to the Wi-Fi network in your house, you set up the game, you start playing. Well, that's it. So this is the pre-order package. I'm really curious myself too. I waited especially for this. And hello, we are firstly greeted by a nice Google controller with the USB-C connector. Let me turn off the autofocus for a moment. Turn on. With a USB-C connector for charging. 3.5mm headphone jack. Oh, it feels good. It feels really good. I'm not really used to controllers, but the thumbsticks might be a bit small for my liking. I love those big shoulder triggers, L2 and R2. And further in the box, there is, of course, a USB-C cable with charger, the European variant in my case. A lot of books are in here too. It's a bit of a really unusual setup for me. As you can see how I hold everything. The camera is right in front of me, looking down. Controller. The stickers. Yes, we got stickers. Lovely. That's it. Nothing else inside. Oh. That's one tightly packed adapter. Matte white finish. That's nice. Not a stupid Apple shiny. Oh. God, that's a power brick. Power brick? LAN adapter? That's interesting. The Chromecast 4K. Ooh, nice magnetic click. That's nice. The original didn't have such a thing. It was just a HDMI dongle basically. But this is nice. Is the leg also magnetic? No, it's not. It's just doesn't. It's only this part that's it's magnetic. That's it's nice. It's nice. It's smaller too than the original, so that's good. Anything else in the box? I love those minimal packaging. It's really efficient. It's nice. It's tidy. Easy to put back in the box. Well, there you have it. Google Stadia. And this is, I guess, for a LAN cable and additional power. I'm figuring you need 4K, but let's see what the manual says. It's in German. I'm not German. Ah, that's French. I'm not French either. Ah, yes. Ah, yes. It's a neat power brick. That means that this Chromecast is possibly capable of a lot more than the original one, because it has auxiliary power, which means it's not powerful enough to be powered by only HDMI or USB-C. So I'm really curious about this. My only complaint still is the HDMI cable. It's short. Well, at least it's better than the original Chrome where you had an adapter piece, extender better said, which was half the length of this cable. But it looks good. This charger looks very nice. Matte white finish, just like this blue here is not shiny. I hate shiny plastics because kind of peel. We gotta peel. Oh, there's the shiny plastic. I hate it. You can see everything on it, including fingerprints. I'm not sure if it's visible on camera. Yes, slightly. Even fingerprints are visible. I hate fingerprints on my gadgets. Simple as that. Google, I love you for making this not glossy, or this glossy. But why the hell were the aesthetics needed to make this glossy? Anyhow, for now, this is it. This is everything the Google Stadia package is. Everything you need to play video games on your PC. And of course a decent Wi-Fi network that I expect to have here in the Netherlands. We are one of the better countries with the internet. What I was saying earlier, this allows you to play video games on your PC. It has been done before, it's nothing new, but there's one major difference. Nvidia did it with their Nvidia Shield Link thingy, but they failed. For one simple reason. They didn't have any data centers around the world, only in the United States. Google, however, has data centers everywhere already. And they know where they are, they know how to use them. And if part of it isn't doing anything anyway, they can just as well set up something like this and make some good use of it and maybe some money on the sides. And with that said, I'm going to try out Stadia and hopefully leave you guys a review soon too. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you guys next time again.